just access to the language, and it isn't just kind of like, okay, it's running through. Okay, let's do the verbs here now, and let's do whatever. It's everything is very, very, very practical. What I also love about it is how, and this is going to be sound maybe kind of weird, but for instance, I was going through the table of contents, and I was looking, because you have all the different words for different, contexts, and blessings and curses, rituals and traditions, fun and entertainment, etc., right? And I was kind of going down through it, and you see some of the kind of the shanachal that you'd be familiar with, and expressions and kind of nana kainta that are very familiar. And then I saw Erskamalane, and I said, wait a minute, that's Clubland. That's not really.
Yeah.
And then I went and read it, and I said, oh, it is, because of course, but that's the way the Irish language works today, is that we have our English language kind of, hybridization,
Hiberno-English.
has happened in relation.
Hiberno-English is one of my biggest fascinations. And look, with a lot of phrases that we use in Ireland, it's hard to know, well, did the English come first and then it got adapted into Irish, or did the Irish come first and then it got adapted into English? A lot of the times, I don't know. But there's so many examples of Hiberno-English, and I think that's a really good starting point for people to just become aware of the fact that, okay, the Irish we speak in Ireland is directly impacted by the presence of Irish in the country. So, all these people that try to rebuke the language and say, nah, it's dead, I want nothing to do with it. Too bad. It's everywhere. It's in our names. It's in our place names. It's in our phrases. It's in the way we speak English. You can't get away from it. It's in